Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to fix the can't post on TikTok issue if your video will not upload. If you are having trouble posting on TikTok, follow these steps. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent uploads. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or test your connection by loading another app or website. Next, make sure TikTok servers are online. Visit a site like Down Detector or search "Is TikTok down?" on your browser. If there is a server issue, you will need to wait for TikTok to resolve it. If the servers are fine, check if your app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if an update is available. Still having issues? Clear the TikTok app cache. Go to your device settings, tap Apps, App Management, find TikTok, and tap on it. Then select Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. Relaunch TikTok and try posting again. If clearing the cache doesn't work, log out and log back in. Tap the profile icon, go to the menu and select logout. Once you log back in, retry uploading your video. Ensure your video complies with TikTok's community guidelines. If your content violates their rules, the platform may prevent it from being posted. Adjust your video if needed. Finally, as a last resort, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Long press on the TikTok app icon, select uninstall, confirm, then reinstall the app from the Google Play Store. Log in again and try posting. These simple steps should fix the can't post on TikTok issue. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.